Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an electric furnace. And why I like to use the electric furnaces is because I like to go farming, drop my stuff and make sure my ores are cooking while I'm farming. And I don't have to look at putting a wood every now and then into my furnaces. Just be AFK, get my ores done and do other stuff in Rust. Well, I combined these one in the charcoal maker. I have another video on how to set up the charcoal maker, so watch that if you want to do the system perfectly, so you won't run out of charcoal to make boom and cook your ores while you're doing fun stuff, instead of waiting for your ores to be cooked. I'm gonna do the setup with one furnace at first, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it with multiple furnaces. But let's start with the easy stuff. We're gonna need an electric furnace. And we need some power, of course. Now, what I want to do is place this one as far as I can. And make sure you don't put all three up right away, because you have to place an adapter on it. And if you forget to do this, then it could be that you won't be able to place it in the end. Now we're gonna set up the power, just a large battery. But of course you don't need a large battery. You can use a small battery or a medium battery. You don't need a lot of power. You can do it with a windmill, but you can also do it with a solar panel. Should be enough power in total, because you need 5 power to set the whole system up for one furnace. Now, the next thing we want to do is place the conveyors. Make sure they are visible to your eye, because the system is buggy. And if you don't do it like that, and the pipes disappear, then you are gonna have a hard time figuring out where your piping system is broken. We're gonna need some boxes. Let's say we got a drop box. And what I do is this drop box I usually place close to my door and then attach the piping system towards my furnaces. Because if I'm using my ORT or I'm actually on a farm run, I want to continue farming without running through all my doors into my TC room, dropping my stuff, and then running back again. I don't like doing that. So we're gonna set up a box just like that. And of course we need a box where it all goes. Let's see what a nice one. Let's use the frag box. Go here. There we go, frags. Attach this one again, of course. And it looks like we're good. Let's set up the power. I'm gonna do it like this, so it's easier for you to see. Now, what you want to do is do these one first. Why? Because these have an electric pass-through and the furnaces don't. So once I do this, the pass-through, then the power is at a dead end, and you can't combine anything anymore with it. It's the power system. It's all set up. Let's do the piping system. We're gonna go from out here. Let's do it a little bit pretty. Into here. This one goes in here. And this one goes in here. This one towards the box. And as you can see, the building server is buggy. Yep, it's buggy. Let's try it with a different one. Nope. Let's go like that. Make a new one. And let's just place it here. Much better. works. Then we're gonna set up the filters. Hold E, change, and we're gonna do it to sulfur ore. We're gonna do it to metal ore, and we're gonna do it to high qual. The search item for high qual is HQ, not high. You won't be able to find it. That's it. All are added. We hit apply, and it's done. Then same one goes over here. Hold E. We're going to go for frags. We're going to go for sulfur. And we're going to go for high qual. Now, the search one for this is actually high. Sulfur. There we go. Apply. Hit E to turn them on. You can see the cute little green lights now turning. And don't forget, hold E. Turn the oven on. And voila. We have an automated system for cooking. So you drop the ores in here. It's gonna burn in here. And it's gonna end up in here. That's the easy part. Now, for the second part, let me turn the oven off. I'm gonna turn off the power. That's quite funny. Still keeps burning. The pipe is still there. Alright, that's hilarious. Funny little building server. That's okay. We're gonna set it up again. Real quick. Alright. Now, we're gonna attach the power first, of course. So we have the old setup real quick. Just like that. Now we have one furnace, but we want more furnaces, of course. What we want to do is we want to use the splitter. Because like I said, furnaces are an end station for power. So we're going to split it. We're going to use an electrical branch. Just like that. Just place it. I like the green lights, so place it a little bit higher. Power going to the branch. Power in the branch. If you're on the branch, hit E. You can decide what power you need. And if you ever forget what the electric power is going to be for an item, just click on it. Let me check. Where is the furnace? I'm blind. There it is. Over here you see power usage 3. If you're going to set up 3 furnaces, you're going to need 9 power. But the splitter also uses wind power. So in the branch you're going to need 10 power to set it up the right one. Now you have to power out and the branch. You're going to use the branch that gives 10 power and place it in the power in. As you can see now, it has 10 power. Branch number 1, you're going to attach to the oven. And you can see it gets 9 power. That's because it's not split yet. In total, we're going to set up the other 2 furnaces. Let's try to do it pretty. Pretty enough. Do the same again. Attach the power. It's not finding the power. Now it's finding the power. And we're gonna continue like that. Power is on. Place these. And what you're gonna need right now is one of these, the splitters. The splitters are attached to the filter, or the conveyor I mean, and the output actually goes to the pipes. Also, you want to keep these ones visible as well, because like I said, the system likes to remove pipes. There we go. Input is set up now, as you can see. So you can drop your ores in here. And now we wanna go into this one. If you wanna go into this one, you're gonna need, where is it? Or do I have one? Nope, not yet. There, the combiner. Let's place one. And attach the output of the pipes into those. And it's going in the input, and it's buggy again. Really nice. That's better. And into this box. Here we go. That's how you drop it all into one box. Well, I'm gonna make a video on the sorting system after this one. So if you want to know how to sort all your stuff from one drop box, and you can even do it from the ovens right in the right chest, just watch my next video, hit follow if you like, and I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. See you around, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao, ciao.